The drone world is buzzing again, and all eyes are on DJI's upcoming Air 4. With leaks, rumors, and insider whispers spreading fast, anticipation is sky high. The big question everyone's asking is, will this new drone redefine what a mid-range flyer can do, or will it just polish what the Air 3 already perfected? Here at Technify, we're diving deep into everything that's surfaced so far. Design changes, rumored performance boosts, and potential camera upgrades that could make this drone a game-changer for creators, travelers, and aerial photographers alike. DJI's Air lineup has always been the perfect blend of portability and power, but if these leaks are anything to go by, the Air 4 might push those boundaries even further. So, get ready as we unpack what could be one of DJI's most exciting and refined drones yet. The DJI Air 4, a device that's already stirring up major buzz before its debut. Based on the latest leaks and insider information, the DJI Air 4 looks set to carry forward the signature compact, foldable design that defines the Air series. Only this time, with a few sleek refinements. From what's been revealed, the drone appears slimmer and more aerodynamic, which could significantly improve flight efficiency and handling, particularly in windy or high-altitude conditions. DJI seems to be focusing on smoother airflow and better balance, creating a design that's not only stylish but functionally optimized for performance. One key rumor points towards stronger, reinforced arms, which would enhance stability and durability, especially for users who often fly in more challenging outdoor environments. Despite these structural changes, DJI will likely remain committed to portability, a hallmark of the Air lineup, ensuring that any potential weight gain remains minimal and travel-friendly. Interestingly, there's growing speculation that the Air may borrow certain design cues from the Mavic 4, hinting at a more premium and professional aesthetic. This could signal DJI's intent to bring the Air series closer to its Mavic counterpart in terms of both performance and appeal. A subtle yet significant leap in design refinement might make the Air 4 not just a drone for hobbyists, but a compelling tool for semi-professional aerial filmmakers as well. On the camera front, some leaks suggest the inclusion of a variable aperture, allowing creators to fine-tune exposure for varying lighting conditions. This would be an exciting addition for photographers and filmmakers who love capturing dynamic scenes, especially golden hour shots during sunrise or sunset. Another much-discussed upgrade is the possibility of a mechanical shutter, which would virtually eliminate rolling shutter distortion. This improvement alone would make a big difference for those filming fast-moving subjects like cars, sports, or wildlife, delivering cleaner, distortion-free footage. The intelligent flight features are also expected to see meaningful upgrades. DJI's renowned active track and return-to-home systems may become even smarter and more precise, allowing for smoother subject tracking and safer automated navigation. Enhancements to OcuSync transmission technology could further extend signal range and reliability, ensuring stable live feeds even in areas with interference or long-distance flights. Battery performance is another area generating excitement. The Air 3's 46-minute flight time already impressed drone pilots, but the Air 4 might take things a step further. Rumors hint at up to 50 minutes of flight time, a remarkable improvement that would allow for longer shooting sessions and more creative freedom without the constant worry of battery swaps. When you combine these rumored enhancements, aerodynamic design, durable build, professional-grade optics, advanced tracking intelligence, and extended flight time, the DJI Air 4 begins to look like a serious evolution rather than just an update. It could represent the perfect balance between the portability of the Air series and the professional capabilities of the Mavic line. If these leaks are accurate, the Air 4 could redefine what's possible in a mid-tier drone, offering creators an experience that's both accessible and cinematic. So, what does all this mean for drone enthusiasts? If even half of these rumors come true, the DJI Air 4 could easily become one of the most capable and well-balanced drones in its class. With a sleek new design, smarter flight features, improved camera control, and extended flight time, it's shaping up to be a drone that delivers both power and practicality in one compact package. DJI has a history of pushing boundaries, and the Air 4 seems ready to continue that legacy, bringing professional-grade performance to the portable drone market. Until DJI officially lifts the curtain, all we can do is imagine the potential. But one thing's clear: the Air 4 is already generating serious excitement. Stay tuned to Technify for more updates, leaks, and deep dives into the latest drone innovations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss the next big reveal in the world of tech.